You have about 3 minutes to stop bleeding like this. Viewer discretion is advised. This demonstration involves live tissue training and simulated traumatic bleeding. The purpose of this video is purely educational. Uncontrolled bleeding remains one of the top causes of preventable death in trauma. Today we are looking at how hemostatic gauze, specifically Quik clot, can help control severe bleeding when direct pressure alone may not be enough. Uncontrolled bleeding remains one of the leading causes of preventable death in trauma. Today we're looking at how hemostatic gauze, specifically Quik clot, can help control severe bleeding when direct pressure alone may not be enough. What you are seeing here is simulated arterial bleeding in a live tissue training environment. In a real trauma scenario, bleeding like this can become life-threatening very quickly. Quik clot gauze is impregnated with a substance called kaolin. Kaolin activates the body's natural clotting cascade, helping the body clot faster at the injury site. But the key thing here to understand is this: the product itself is not magic. Technique is what saves lives. The first step is exposing the wound so that you can identify the bleeding source. Next, the hemostatic gauze is packed directly into the wound cavity. You want to pack firmly and continuously until the wound space is completely filled. This is critical because bleeding often occurs deep inside the wound track. Simply placing gauze on top of the wound will not control the hemorrhage. Once the wound is fully packed, firm direct pressure is applied over the site. The pressure is maintained for several minutes to allow the clot to form and stabilize. During that time, the combination of the mechanical pressure and the hemostatic agent helps slow and ultimately stop the bleed. After maintaining pressure, you reassess the wound. If bleeding is controlled, pressure dressing can be applied to maintain the clot and continue the hemorrhage control. If bleeding continues, additional packing and pressure may be required. Hemostatic gauze like Quik clot has been used extensively in both military and civilian trauma and has saved countless lives when applied correctly. But remember, rapid recognition, proper wound packing, and sustained pressure are real life-saving interventions. Quik clot works extremely well for deep wound packing and hemorrhage control. What happens when the wound cavity is too deep or too difficult to pack effectively? Next, we're going to take a look at another hemorrhage control device designed for these situations, XStat. Stay tuned for more.